salt flashes red then green and the flow light says red. The filter is new, the pump is working fine, and the cell was recently cleaned. Could this be a flow switch issue, or does it sound like the cell is bad again? It's a pentar in-course issue.
It could be a flow switch issue. Because if it's not registering that has flow, then, and you're telling me there's full flow through the salt cell and there's no bypasses or anything like that open, then it could indeed be the flow sensor. Otherwise, it would be the cell itself. And you can pop off where it says flow, that cap there, and you can unscrew the sensor and take a look at that. Turn the system off first, obviously, and a lot of times you'll see cracks along it. They don't usually fail red. Well, I guess they do, but I always come across when they fail green. You turn off the system and they're still reading green. But yeah, I mean, I would check that, and if that isn't the case, you don't see any cracks or anything. And the other thing you can do is, if it is powered up with the pump off, or you can plug the where the flow sensor goes in and just kind of touch the sensor to touch it together, or in like a bucket of water. You can test the whole cell itself, but you can test to see whether it'll run green or not.